Hey guys, I'm about to give you all a secret, the exact barbecue rub recipe that we use to smoke pork, brisket, chickens, and ribs every week, hundreds and hundreds of pounds of them at the Smoking Buddha Barbecue. Grab something, write this down. First up, Kosher Salt. Wouldn't use table salt here. The coarser salt's going to bind better, pull out more moisture on the meat, creating a better flavor. 4 pounds, 12 ounces by weight, or just 1 cup for the smaller version. Starting off with our sugars. Turbinado Sugar, or sugar in the raw, 3 pounds, 12 ounces by weight, 1 cup by volume for the smaller recipe. Light brown sugar on top of that. We're gonna go with 2 pounds, or a half a cup for the volume recipe. Then we're gonna be adding our paprika, 9 ounces, or 4 tablespoons. Then comes chili powder, 10 ounces, 4 tablespoons as well. Another staple for most barbecue rubs, granulated onion, granulated garlic, 5 ounces of each, or 4 tablespoons as well. Then black pepper, coarse, 7 ounces, 4 tablespoons. Cayenne pepper, 2 ounces, 3 teaspoons. Then we'll be adding 4 ounces of cumin, or 2 tablespoons. 2 ounces of nutmeg, or 2 teaspoons. Then we're going to go with some thyme, 2 tablespoons, or 2 ounces. Mix it up real well. Obviously easier with the hand when you're using a much smaller amount, but we're going to get this going. Just takes a little time. We're usually mixing this in about a 13-gallon container that'll last us about a week or more. Probably be easier to get a giant stand mixer, but this is how we do it now. Super easy to bind up together. It's a perfect rub for any meat. Great texture, great color. Smokes well, creates a nice bark at the end of it all. Here's a little demo, guys, of us rubbing our meats here. A lot of times we get asked, do we use a binder when we're putting on our rub? I believe, personally, 100% unnecessary. The salt and sugar from the rub is going to draw that moisture out of the meat, create a super nice thick slurry that's going to hold on to that meat during the smoking process. Obviously, this works better if you give about 12, 24 hours before you're smoking, but not necessary at all. You can throw this right on the smoker whenever you're ready to use it. No need to rest. Again, this rub's perfect for all meats. Great flavor, great color. All right, guys, I hope y'all got all of that. If you didn't, again, in the descriptions, we're going to put down exactly the volumes and weight if you want to do that giant batch we did. So y'all can put it together for your next barbecue, cookout, family get together, whatever y'all got going on. That's what I live for, guys. The hang, the party, the get together. That's what I love to do. I love to serve people. I love to give them some great food, make everybody happy. That's my calling. That's what I believe. So like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm going to be sharing a bunch of how-tos, a bunch of recipes, how we serve out of our barbecue food truck. Guys, thank y'all for following. I appreciate it. Can't wait to show y'all some more things that we got going on here. Cannot wait to serve y'all, guys. Thank y'all.